everyone, my name is Naresh Kumar, working as an assistant professor in EEE department, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. Today we are going to measure the turns ratio in transformer using AC bridge. The setup for measurement of turns ratio in transformer is here. In this experiment, two transformers, transformer under test, in which turns ratio is to be measured, and second one is standard transformer. So these two transformers are connected in series. So transformer under test, primary winding is connected to the 230 volts. Same 230 volts is connected to the standard transformer primary winding. Here this transformer turns ratio is N2 by N1, that is turns ratio. Here this voltage is V1, so we know the relation V2 by V1 equals to N2 by N1 equals to K, that is transformation ratio. We need to measure that turns ratio in this transformer. So here we know the V1 value, we need to measure this V2 value. Okay, so for that purpose, to measure this V2 value, we are using here AC bridge and this standard transformer tappings. Here this AC bridge voltage indicates potential difference between 2 points. Here we know this. If suppose this transformer under test secondary winding voltage is suppose VA, standard transformer secondary winding voltages are tappings already given. So VA minus VB equals to this AC bridge. Okay, here we need this V2 value. From that we can calculate N2 by N, that is turns ratio we can calculate. So this VA equals to this AC bridge plus this VB value. In this way we can calculate N2 by N1. Now I will connect circuit first. So switch on the supply. So in this, so there are two connections. Okay, only these two connections here. Now here this voltage, here 0 voltage plus this voltage equals to this secondary winding of transformer under test. Okay, so in this case this V2 value equals to 0 plus 11.8. Next take another reading, 10 volts. 10 volts plus 1.7. So this reading is secondary winding of transformer under test. Next take 11 volts. 11 volts 0.7 plus 11 volts. Next 12, 0 value. Next another reading 30, 0.7. Next 14, 1.7. So add these two readings. So this tapping reading plus voltmeter reading indicates the secondary winding, secondary voltage of transformer under test. So here we calculated this V2 value. We know the primary winding voltage 230 volts. So V2 by V1 equals to N2 by N1, that is turns ratio. Okay, that is K. In this way we can calculate the turns ratio. Okay.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.